Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore Binance Web3 wallet without backup. So first up, what you need to do is to check for cloud backup. So if you enabled cloud backups or synced your wallet with a cloud service, you might be able to restore it from there. Now, of course, since we're trying to do this without backup, this is just a necessary backup plan if in case you have your cloud backup or cloud service synced with your wallet. Next, you can also try looking for saved recovery phrases, as sometimes recovery phrases or private keys might be saved in secure locations like password, managers, or encrypted files. So just double check any places where you might have stored them. Then you can also try exploring keyless wallet options. So Binance offers keyless or MPC wallets that don't require traditional private keys. So if you use this type of wallet, just follow Binance's guidelines for recovery. Now, if all else fails, you can reach out to Binance's customer support for assistance, as they might have specific procedures or additional verification methods to help you recover your wallet. Now, you can reach Binance's support center right here. Just type in binance.com/n/support, and you should be able to see this page where you can contact them and reach them for whatever problems you're facing. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.